Make a great choice today with the 2021 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.